Yeah,
This is like the Robert Kiyosaki. He has a sort of like a phrase, like
I mean, you guys could do that in some of your buildings if you wanted to take the risk.
it's like don't kill the cow. Like get the milk. Don't kill the cow.
Right. So,
exactly.
He has a million of those. I love him.
like on your Culver City property, you could take a $1 million note and go invest that somewhere if you wanted to. It's all a function of relative acceptance of risk.
Right.
You know, what are you comfortable with? You know, some people that's too risky. Some people they go crazy.
Oh my God, no.
I have a big aversion to risk.
Yeah, and that's fine.
I like to know that there's solid ground before I step.
See, I'm a bigger risk taker. That's why I'm building ground up. More profit, more risk.
That's right. That's right.
That is so funny. I had met Ed about 8 years ago.
Oh my God.
Barnes and Noble.
Oh wow,
We were
bookstore.
chatting over in Westlake.
What?
We were chatting, and then he was talking about his investment, and he was an investor. He was looking to flip, so he was working with a gal out of Koreatown.
Yeah. He did that.
I got in touch with him, and then they said, Ed, that is not the same Ed. Yes, it is.
They did like 1,000 deals. Like they did so many of those flips. All right. Lois Rokel, Amy Yoshimitsu. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Talk to you soon.